Maybe you saw this crazy comedy movie called The Interview, a film by Seth Rogen and Evan Goldberg. It's a story about these two TV journalists who get caught up in a CIA plot to assassinate the political leader of North Korea. The theme of political assassination as comedy didn't sit so well with the North Koreans, and they hacked Sony Pictures in the biggest industrial hack of all time. Artists, filmmakers, and musicians all reflect the social conditions of their day. War movies have long been recognized as a powerful form of entertainment propaganda. And in 2018, hundreds of angry parents complained about the propaganda they saw in the children's television program Arthur. This week we'll view and discuss a hilarious satirical film called Look Who's Back that'll get you thinking about the power of entertainment propaganda. Then we'll take a look at the rise of patriotic propaganda in China, a country that has seen enormous development over the past 40 years. Art and entertainment represent reality using potent symbols that activate strong emotions. That's why audiences come to feel connected to a particular set of cultural values and the web of meanings that underpin them. Studying the relationship between art and propaganda makes us wonder about this big question. Can there be such a thing as unintentional propaganda? As we'll learn this week, propaganda doesn't have to be political. It can be woven into the fabric of everyday life, often by means of stories. Have fun this week!